Hello student, welcome back to maths class. Today we learn here basics of geometry. Basics of geometry. First one point there, point. First one we learn here point. The sharp tip, a pair of divide and compasses or the tip of needle is represent of point, means C. This one you call point. Point just show a position. Point show the position. It has not a thickness. Not a thickness. No length, no breadth is there. Only one tip is there. Okay, only one point is there. And write their name. How to read as point A? How to read as point A, and how to written as symbol point A? How to this one type you written? Understand? Okay. Next one, line. What you call this one? Line. Line is a straight connected infinite numbers of points. This is the extent of both sides. This one is the extent of both sides. A, B. Extent of both sides. It has a no end point. Extend this side also and this side also. Okay. And this one also read as a line AB. How to read this one? Line AB. And how to write as a? How to write as a? Yeah, written as a line AB. Line AB. Understand? Now, next one, line segment. Line segment. Line segment means what? It is a part of line. It is a part of a line. See, AB, you call this one line segment. Here also extend, only you take this one. Okay, we can measure a line segment. We don't measure here line because of both side extend, but here we can measure a line segment. Why we measure? It has a two end point. It has a two end point. Okay. And how to read this one? Line segment AB. Line segment AB. And how to written as? How to written as? Line segment AB. How to written as? Line segment AB. Understand? Okay. Next one, ray. Next one is a ray. Ray, it is a part of starting line starting from point to extend infinitely one direction, means see here, start from here to and one side extend. What you call this one? Ray. Ray's name given you PQ. How to read this one? Ray PQ. How to read this one? Ray PQ. You don't read ray QP because of it has a no end point. Only one point we keep here. Okay. So when you read QP, that is a wrong. How to read? Where is the end point? That one name write first, and next one write there. Okay, how to read this one? Re, PQ. And how to written as? Re, PQ. How to written as? Re, PQ. Next one. Intersecting line. Intersecting line. When two lines in a plane meet a point, they are called a intersecting line. They are called a intersecting line. Sorry. When two lines meet a one point, that time you call that one line intersecting line. Intersecting line. See here, P is intersecting A, B, C, D. Okay, you call that one intersecting line. Intersecting line AB and CD. Line AB and CD intersected at a point P. How to read? Line AB and CD intersect in point P. Okay. Next one. Parallel line. Parallel line. How to do parallel line? A, B, C, D. Line does not meet anywhere. Does not meet anywhere, and they are extend both sides, but where does not meet? Anywhere does not meet. You call that one parallel line. See here, parallel line AB. Line AB is a parallel to line CD. How to read? Line AB is a parallel to line CD. All are remembered. Now, how to written as? Line AB parallel. This is one symbol of parallel. Line CD. Understand? Seventh one, plane. Plane means what? See. This one extend infinitely all sides, all directions. Okay. It is a flat surface. It is a flat surface. Plane is a flat surface. This have no boundaries. This have no boundaries. Okay. Now, how to draw the line segment? How to draw the line segment? See here, I want to line segment. First one, line segment 80. How many centimeter? 6.3 centimeter. We want to draw here. Now, see here how to draw. First one 0, 6 is here, 1, 2, 3. keep their dot both side, and that one you join there. Write there line 80, line segment 80. How to draw? Understand? B1, line segment CD is equal to 7.7 centimeter. See here, zeros 1.7, after 7 5 6 7, give their second point and join that one and write their name CD. Understand how to draw? Now next one, eighth one is there, angles. Angle means what? First one say, two rays have a one common point. Two rays have a one common point. It called as a angle. Two rays. And one common point. A, B and C. You call that one common point is a vertex of the angle. When writing name and angle, the vertex is always middle name. Middle letter is vertex point. Letter, which one letter is there? That one also write in a middle. Okay, middle side. The other two letters naming angle be interchanged. And what is the angle symbol? This one is the angle symbol. How to write? AB, angle ABC or angle CBA. Understand how to write? Middle point, vertex point is a middle. Vertex point is a always you naming the middle. Understand? Now next one, measuring and constructing the angle. Measuring and constructing the angle. How to measure? How to construct the angle? Which one thing we used here? Which one thing we used here? What do you call that thing? Protractor. What do you call that thing? Protractor. Protractor is used to measure the angle. Protractor used to measure the angle. And angle how to measure? Which one? Degree. Write as a degree. And how to show that one degree? With small circle. Okay. How to note down degree? With a small circle. It has a marking 0 to 180. See here, 0 to 180 is there. And right measuring angle is placed on the vertex of angle. Vertex of angle. Understand? See here, how to measuring? How to measure the angle? See. Use with the protractor. See, where is a point, where is a vertex point? Keep there keep there this middle point, and where is rays go, there you start from the that there you start from the 0 to, see here how many centimeter, this one 80 centimeter, right there 80 degree. How much angle is there? 80 degree. Naming there P Q R, right there. And how to write? Angle PQR is equal to 80 degree. Next one, see here, first middle point stand on a vertex, and where is ray extend, that side you measuring, how many is there? 0 is how many angle? 100 degree, right there J M V, angle name JMV is equal to 100 degree Celsius. Okay, 100 degrees there. Now how to construct the angle? Construct the angle. Construct the angle. How to construct the angle? First one, see here, one ray, first one draw. Okay, we want here 120 degree Celsius angle. Angle A, B, C, you want there 120 degree. 120 degree. So, how to do? Middle point, keep here, and where rays extend, that side you measuring 0, that side 0, where is 0? Inside 0. So, you want here 120, inside 120 is where? Here, mark there here. Okay, now draw one ray here and give their name A, B, C, right there 120 degree. 120 degree. Now angle PQR you want here 45 degree. You want here 45 degree. Keep here middle point and 45 degree. First see where is 0, where is ray? Your my left side. So where is left side? First 0, outside. You want here 45 degree. 40 is here, 40 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give there one dot and join that one. Write their name. P Q R is 45 degree. Is a 45 degree. How to construct the angle? You understand? Types of angles. Next one, what? Types of angles. First one. How many types are there? All of remember? How many types are there? 4 types. One, acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle. Acute angle. First one, acute angle. That angle measuring between 0 degree to 90 degree is called a acute angle. It's called a acute angle. 0 degree to 90 degree means 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. All are measuring in a acute angle. See here. A, B, C, right here 30 degree. Write on there angle ABC is equal to 30 degree. What you call this one angle? Acute angle. Acute angle. Next one, obtuse angle. That angle measuring in 90 degree to 180 degree is called a obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Okay. See here. $130. Angle A, B and C. This is a 130 degree. Okay. Angle A, B, C is a 130 degree means it is a obtuse angle. Okay. Next one. Next one is there right angle. Right angle. How to write? M and P. This is a 90 degree. Okay, this is a 90 degree. It angle measure 90 degree is called a right angle. Is called a right angle. Write on there angle MNP is equal to 90 degree. Is equal to 90 degree. Next one, straight angle. Straight angle. Straight angle means that angle measuring in 180 degree. See here 180 degree. 0, 1 ray, where to here 0 to where done with him 180 and here also 180. So this one is a 180 degree. Angle measure between 180 degree is called a straight angle. Is called a straight angle. Okay. P Q R. Right there angle P Q R is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. All of you understand? We call that one straight angle. Call that one straight angle. All of you understand now geometry topic. Now this one useful for the next year also. Okay, now today's homework, this one, point, line, line segment, ray, intersecting line, parallel, plane, angles and types of angle also. One picture you draw there in your notebook, means point right there, point A, B right there, and how to written as right there. Okay, what you draw that one. Understand? And 2 to 20 tables biheaded, 2 to 20 tables biheaded, and write one time in your notebook, Okay, thank you.